And you're 40.
Ejaculation is a short amount of like actual time.
The
Actual thing you work so hard for does not last that. The amount of time you are home, way more time.
Oh, yeah.
Way more hours for the sex than that little.
And then as you get older too, it's like
3.2.
You going through life stuff
It's a
like
good
you
time,
need
though.
you need a person.
Why y'all like going in the direction?
B-Lou, you don't.
Amazing! And guess what? Nobody's here. No one's home. I can do it the fuck I want to do.
Oh my god.
Nobody. Nigga, that's amazing.
That's why a lot of people stop watching porn. Cause it ruins your mind. It's crazy out here, man.
Porn. You know what I'm saying? Get
Can't
it
do
out
it.
the way.
Can't do it.
Ding, microwave.
Microwave.
You not watching porn while your food in the.
Right. Put some noodles in that noodle about 3 minutes. Put your little couple ramen in there. You feel me,
And you
my
know,
wife?
porn, they got it in clips
You know
too.
what
So
I'm
yeah,
saying?
you be good to go.
You know what I'm saying?
Watch
Get
your
the-
little clip real
Get the
quick.
stuff ready.
Yeah.
Hit the minute 3 times.
Yeah, in the minute 3 times.
That nigga ain't typing in 3000.
You ready? That means you be your meat within the vicinity of the microwave.
Get this. You gotta get everything set up. Get the scene ready.
Past
All right,
the
my
age
boy.
of 25, masturbation is just business. You show up, you clock in, you clock out. You don't be in
You
there.
feel me? You don't be in there.
doing it. He ain't
You know,
doing
being
it.
in there, sitting.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
Yeah, he
saying?
ain't doing
Be
it.
careful
Get it
when
in.
y'all go over these dudes' houses. 'cause
What that was on your nails? Shellac.
Be careful, ladies. You going over these fellas' houses.
You feel me? Shellac.
But I don't
jail.
watch that stuff no more. So that was back in the old days.
I got it.
I got it.
Shellac.
Jail.
The jail. Yeah. That's
I ain't gonna hold
good.
you
That's a
now.
great callback.
The little, you know what I'm saying, when your nails done.
All right. All right.
Gosh.
Dinosaur noises, exactly.
Shellac. Jail.
Yeah.
If you enjoy this podcast, pull up on us wherever you get your podcasts. Apple, Spotify, wherever, or you can listen on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Watch on YouTube every Monday. Different group of podcast friends, different group of podcast topics. Always a good time. We'll see you next time. Saw us on the internet. Kept on Stage and Friends. Bye-bye.